Check bags night before flight? Hate airport chaos? Here's the move. Check your bags the night before. Yes, many airlines and airports run early, evening, Twilight Bag Drop programs that let you hand over checked luggage 6 to 24 hours ahead, usually free, and show up on flight day with just your wallet and phone. But there's fine print you need to know. Availability is airport specific and not on every route. Some carriers only offer it at select hubs, and certain destinations or tickets bought via third parties may be excluded. You'll typically need to complete online check-in first, bring passports or IDs for every traveler on that booking, and respect stated hours. Oversized or special handling items are often not accepted. If your plans or seat change after drop-off, you might have to revisit the desk to re-tag. How to use it? Search your airline, plus airport, plus evening before bag drop. Confirm hours and eligibility, and note security opening times. On flight day, arrive relaxed, but still early enough for security cues. Try it once, and you'll never sprint to the counter again.